What y'all doing? Huh? Looking all cute. Yeah. It was like I'm looking out the window. Hanging out at Grandma's house. What's out there? What's out there, huh? We gotta go see the zoologist this week. Get your blood pressure checked. Yeah, we do. Yeah. You're such a good girl. Yeah. Oh, you got fuzz on your beak. We just gave her medicine. Probably came off the towel. Yeah. What you think, Isabel? Oh, really? That bad? It's that bad? You're such a silly girl. Oh, Mama loves you. Oh, stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh, that's a good stretch. That's a good stretch. Yes. This little girl is going through a molt. Yes. Feathers are dropping like flies. Yeah. What you looking at? Huh? Izzy's like, I want to jump in the window. I want to jump in the window. Lewis is like, I'm up here. It's my window. It's my window, Mama. Is that what you're thinking? She's like, I'm mad at you. You wrapped me in a towel, made me take my medicine. You don't want to jump up there. She'll bite you. She'll bite you. You know that. Lewis is like, yeah. You dare you come near me. I told you, she's coming at you. She's gonna get you. She gonna get you. She's like, but she's in my window, Mama. Are you in her window? Are you in her window? Are you? She's like, gotta share, Mama. Gotta share. Gotta share. See, it's my window too. Is it your window too? Oh, is it your window too? You still got that fuzz on there. Is it because your medicine was sticky? Can I get it off? Can I get it off? It's like, no, Mom, no. I want to get the stuff off your beak. Who got stickies on there? It's like, just leave my stickies alone. Okay. Careful, is. She will get you, and she don't leave no prisoners. And it will not feel good. Right? Right? Where's my kisses? Where's my kisses? Lewis, where's my kisses? She's like, I'll give you kisses, Mom. I'll give you kisses. You better watch out. She's watching you. Are you watching her? Are you watching her? Are you? Why you guys gotta be so cute? Why you gotta be so cute? Aww. Does it feel good to be in that window? I'm getting kisses from Izzy. Yep. Sorry, she moved the camera. She moved the camera. What do you think of that? It's your feathers. You've been picking at them. It's like, Mom, don't mess with me. Ah. I gotta keep my hand right here so in case Izzy jumps up, so they don't get hot. She'll get you. See? Lewis is like, I'll get you. Yo, we gotta protect them both. Yep. Who did you wrestle with once? One time this little girl wrestled with a dog. Taco! You and Taco. Taco was on the couch. Lewis was on the floor. She ran on this couch here. She ran to the couch. I didn't know what she was doing. I wasn't quick enough. And she climbed up the couch and she went after Taco for no apparent reason. And they were rolling around and fighting. Oh my God, I had to tear them apart. It was scary. Thank God neither of them hurt each other. That was many years ago, right? crazy girl. Hi, old crazy girl. Yeah, I'm talking to you about you and Taco. Remember? You guys had a wrestling match? My goodness. Yep. Crazy kids. What do you have to say about yourself, huh, Lois? Remember those days? Like, yeah, all right, Mom. She's been so good taking her medicine. She's eating more. She's gained weight. I got to post her weight video. Yep. It's up to 461 grams. Yeah. Oh, my God, Louis. You're doing good. You're doing good, baby. Yeah. I'm so proud of you. Look at how her feathers are coming back on her, the tips of her wing shoulders there. That was all missing a year ago. Coming back good. Yeah, maybe this new hormone implant will help the rest of them come back. Right now she seems to be going through a natural molt. Yeah. I know. You know, you could talk to me. I see you got that one fuzz off, but you look like you got no, it's still there. You have like Izzy hair in your beak. You got Izzy hairs in your beak. I can see it. It's right there. Right there. She was like, if you try to get it off, I'm gonna bite you. But you got Izzy hairs in your beak. Can I try and get it? No, see? She won't let me get it off. So if you see a little piece of hair on her beak, that's Izzy hair. Look at it. You'll let me scratch your head, but you won't let me touch your beak. Scratch my head, Mom, but not my beak. How's that? What do you think? Gonna talk to me? Huh? No? Am I putting you on the spot? You haven't barked. You were barking up a storm yesterday. You were barking like a dog. The dogs were going crazy barking. She was on my shoulder. She started barking. Ooh, yep. I gotta be right there. Gotta make sure. Because Izzy want to come up there and lick your face and you'll bite her. Yep. Izzy's like, all right. Izzy, your tail is going to look like a worm. You better be careful. She will like to chew on that tail. Look at that tail. That's such a beautiful tail. It's such a beautiful tail. Let's look at her. She's like, I can get that tail, Mom. I can get that tail. What you thinking? Hmm? You even got some good ones coming in on your legs. Maybe this time next year you'll have all your feathers back. Won't that be nice? Won't be so cold in this cold weather. Yeah. Can you do that? Uh-huh. Look at your beak. Oh, you gotta be so cute, huh? Why you gotta be so cute? You my cute baby? You don't want to talk to me? No. Where's my kisses? None? She's like, nope, I'm not gonna talk. You made me take my medicine. Izzy? Give me kisses. She's like, ooh, I can sneak up to the window. Izzy's like right behind the camera, trying to sneak up on the top of the couch. See, Lewis was just watching her. She's like, all right, I'm going to go in my bed then. See, she was like, I'll just climb in my bed then if I can't go up and look out the window. You chased her away, Lewis. You chased her away. You see what you did there? You chased her away. Come here, such a sweetheart. On your own terms, though. On your own terms. Can't be on anyone else's terms. Said, I'm only sweet when I want to be sweet. And be fast, because if I decide I don't want you scratching my head, I will retaliate. Right? How was that? She's like, I liked it. You can keep doing it. Yeah? Is that nice? Oh, such a pretty baby. Such a pretty bird. You my pretty bird? Hmm? Yeah. Once we get you all taken care of, then Mama's got to save up a little and get this girl fixed. Yeah. Before she has before she goes in heat again. It was just horrible on her. She was just miserable. But we wanted to get her rabies shot first, so we got that. Always worry about that because Taco had a bad reaction and couldn't get shots after his first rabies shot. He almost died on me. That's why I was so scared with Izzy. What are you thinking? She's like, I want some more head scratches, Mama. Kisses, kisses for baby. Can't always get that close, but, you know. Does it feel good? Does it feel good? Yeah. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yeah. Are you falling asleep on me? Huh? It's like, ooh, you moved, Mama. You moved. Oh my goodness. Izzy sneezed. Look at your eyeball. Ooh-wee. Look how pretty eye. Yeah, you do. Look how pretty eye there, Lewis. Yeah. Look at those feathers. They're so tiny. They're so tiny. Yeah. You're such a pretty bird. Oh, such a pretty bird. Ooh. Ooh. Does that feel good? Huh? Yeah? Oh my goodness. Yeah. What you doing over on this side? Look at that little girl. She's like, I'm out. I'm taking a nap, Mom. I can't play birds in my spot. I'm just gonna crawl into my little hole. Yeah, you're so pretty, Lois. Mama loves you. Yeah?